Hello, interior design enthusiasts. The living room is often the heart of the home, and curtains can play a pivotal role in elevating its aesthetics. If you want to refresh your living room in 2023, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore the top 7 living room curtain trends for the year, giving you fresh ideas to transform your space. Let's dive in. Trend 1. Sheer elegance. Sheer curtains never go out of style, and they're still a top choice for 2023. Sheer fabrics allow natural light to filter through, creating a soft and airy feel. Layer them with heavier curtains for a chic, multifunctional window treatment. Geometric patterns are a hot trend in curtain design. From simple lines and shapes to intricate designs, geometric curtains bring a contemporary and artistic vibe to your living room. Trend-free, earthy and natural textures. Earthy colors are having a moment in interior design, and curtains are no exception. Think warm terracottas, deep forest greens, and serene blues. These earthy tones infuse your living room with a sense of comfort and tranquility. Trend 4. Velvet opulence. Velvet curtains are making a bold return in 2023. The lush, luxurious texture of velvet adds a touch of sophistication to any living room. Whether you prefer deep, rich colors or soft pastels, velvet curtains can create a cozy and opulent atmosphere. Trend 5. Minimalist neutrals. Neutral curtains, simple monochromatic curtains in shades like white, beige, or gray. Clean aesthetics, these curtains promote a clean and minimalist look. Trend 6. Layered curtains. Layered look combines sheer curtains with heavier drapes for both style and function. Texture contrast, layering allows you to play with textures and depth. Trend 7. Smart and motorized curtains. Motorized curtains, these curtains can be controlled remotely or even programmed. Convenience and modernity, smart curtains offer convenience and a touch of modernity. In conclusion, your living room curtains can make a significant impact on your home decor in 2023. Whether you opt for sheer elegance, bold patterns, natural textures, velvet opulence, minimalist neutrals, layered curtains, or embrace smart technology, the key is to choose curtains that resonate with your personal style. Thanks for joining us on this journey to elevate your living room decor.